Hi everybody, I am Chinmay from SIAA Institution, which is the great place to success, begin success. Today I am going to explain the bar chart. This is a bar chart. This bar chart shows the number of students who like which students want to do in their lesson time. There are 4 lesson time activities. First one is watching TV, going on a train. Third one is playing game and reading books. The 100 number of students likes to watching TV. And the 160% of students like to do going on a trip. And 100% of students like to play games. And last, 80% of students like to read books. The most of the students like to do going on a trip. And at the same time, this percentage of students like to do reading books. And equal number of students like to do watching TV and playing games. According to the graph, it is clear that the most of the students like to go on a trip because the going on a trip is very adventurous. Thank you. Thanks for listening.